The 2025 Mustang are powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine that has been boosted to 480 horsepower. The 315 horsepower turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost is a slight gain over its predecessor. Both powertrains include a 10-speed automatic gearbox, however only the V8 can be equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Both hardtop coupe and soft-top convertible body versions are available. The Mustang's redesigned cockpit and stronger engine options keep the muscle car legend alive. The new look provides much-needed upgrades to the Mustang. Among the numerous stylistic and powertrain improvements are new options for those in need of serious speed. The optional performance package trim improvement will be available on both the Mustang GT and EcoBoost versions. The car's interior is more cozy than it looks, and the seats are very supportive. The changeable display features various colors, indicators, and even a comm screen that reveals only the most important facts, so it can be tailored to meet the needs of most red, white, and blue patriots. The micro-suede vinyl inlays and cloth seats of the base Mustang are complemented with stitched pieces from the door trim on the dash of the premium model. The GT Mustang has leather upholstery. Additionally, Ford has added the remote reverend function, which lets you enjoy the sounds emanating from outside the car while simply pressing the key fob to start the engine. The new Mustang's interior technology is one major area of improvement. Behind a curved glass panel, the 13.2-inch infotainment screen, which is equipped with Ford's Sync 4 software, flows from the instrument cluster to the center of the vehicle. This system includes basic features like as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, drivers can lessen the clutter of charging cords by opting for a wireless smartphone charger. Every Mustang has a Ford Power-Up software capability that enables over-the-air updates for later software and vehicle function improvements. Amazon Alexa and Ford Streaming enable voice commands to replace knob turning or button pressing. The 2025 Mustang also offers more driver assist technology than rival pony cars, allowing you to drive quicker and feel safer. Every Mustang has a Ford Co-Pilot 360,